Most people think barbecue chicken legs are all the same. Well, today I'm going to show you some tricks with kitchen shears that fixes tough tendons, a butter bath that makes that skin perfect, and we're going to finish all off with Elite Barbecue Smokers Alabama white sauce. I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers, and today I'm going to try to make this Elite Barbecue Smokers Alabama white sauce chicken legs. So let's get to prepping so we get cooking. Come on, you're going to try these bad boys. See our chicken legs we got laid out? Notice something real quick. Every one of them is a little bit different size. When I do a competition barbecue, I'm going to try to get ones that are the same size. So be something like this one, and these right here. What I'm going to do today is show you kind of a competition trick to get a real soft, tender bite. And to do that, grab a chicken leg like this, take my scissors, and get right below it, and get in there and cut it. I'm separating the knuckle right here, cutting the knuckle off. Just like this right here. You don't waste no meat to speak of. But what you've done now is I've taken these tendons that connect to the bottom knuckle and top knuckle. I've taken those tendons and I've separated them, cut them. When you're cooking it, they're going to pull back into the bottom tendon because they're still connected here. And that means all this gristle and stuff in here is going to pull back to the bottom. That way you get a really good soft bite into this part of the chicken. All right, so I'm going to take them and set them on the rack. I'm going to put them right now the first pass. I'll put these little knuckles down. I'll show you why in just a minute. Now I'm going to put some seasoning on it. My first rub is Elite Barbecue Smokers chicken rub. Next rub is Elite Barbecue Smokers Smoky Heat rub. Now I'm going to flip them over like this. Then you'll come here and season it. Don't need no binder, just Elite Barbecue Smokers chicken rub and Elite Barbecue Smokers Smoky Heat rub. Just like that. Hey, do me a favor. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and tell me something about this recipe. If you try it, let me know what you think about it. It is absolutely delicious. And please subscribe to our channel and hit that alert button. Last touches, anywhere got little holidays at? So chicken legs are prepped up. Let's put them on the smoker. I'm smoking these today on my Recteq 1250 at 300 degrees. Now we're using royal charcoal, a blend of charcoal and hay-free pellets. I'm going to smoke it for 45 minutes uncovered just like this. So as you've seen, we got the chicken right now. We put it in a half pan with a stick of Kerrygold salted butter. I want you to notice how beautiful that chicken looks right now. The rubs we got on there, the flavors we got there, man, this thing will be amazing. I'm going to put them in this half pan with a stick of butter. I'm going to cook them for 45 more minutes, covered in tin foil. At that time, I'll start checking it. What I'm looking for is to be probe tender, really soft going in there, has to pull back from the bone. That's what we're looking for with that. With this method today, we have a good pullback from the bone at the top. And that tells me I got a really tender piece of chicken. That's what we're looking for. Now, let it keep going, let it a few minutes, check on it. Pretty cool, ain't it? Now this is how Elite Barbecue Smokers make Alabama white sauce. Start off with Duke's mayonnaise. We'll do a cup and a half. Now I'll mix my liquids. Got a measuring cup here. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'll do a tablespoon of lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Dump it in. Now I add a tablespoon of horseradish sauce. Now I'm gonna take it and mix it together a little bit. Then about a teaspoon of some spicy brown mustard. Now I add in 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then add some Elite Barbecue Smokers Smoky Heat rub. Do this a taste. We'll do about a teaspoon. Go to cayenne also. I like to go by color. Hey, do me a favor. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And please subscribe to our channel and hit that alert button. Now I'm going to take that and put all that in an airtight container. And I'm going to refrigerate this for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. I'll let the flavors blend together. That, boys and girls, is how you make Elite Barbecue Smokers Alabama white sauce. That's what you got. Been 45 minutes. Let's see what we got. Ready? Sit down, pull back from the bone. Cut them tendons and pull back from it. All that tendons down inside it. Soft, see how it is? 200. Pull these bad boys hair off. Let's get you some sauce. Come on. All right, some problem inside. Let's see what we got. So look at that. Don't it look good? Got Alabama white sauce we made. See how we make it. Y'all ready? Hey, do me a favor. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and tell me something about this recipe. And if you try it, let me know what you think about it. It is absolutely delicious. And please subscribe to our channel and hit that alert button. All right, y'all ready? I know I'm ready. Look at that thing. Don't it look good? Lord have mercy, it looks good. One right here out in the middle. Look at that. Look at that chicken leg. Cheers. This is probably one of the best ways to cook chicken legs you ever tasted in life. Why don't you look at that? The meat's trying to fall off the bone. It's got a really good soft bite to it. Got a heat from that rub and coming into it, that salt, and everything comes together. Along with this tangy Alabama white sauce, boys and girls, that there is absolutely delicious. When you try this one right here, I promise you, you and everybody else will fall in love with it. It is really good. Lord have mercy, it's good. Now we're going to sign and say the blessing and eat. But first, let's see what Dolly and Lucy thinks. Come on, girls. Lucy's been sitting here waiting for 10 minutes. Dolly's a little more slower come over here. Come on, girl. All right, you ready? Lucy. Good girl. Dolly. Dolly and Lucy like it. If they like it, I know you'll fall in love with it. Now let's say the blessing. Let's go eat. Lord, bless food by receive. In Jesus' name pray. Amen. Try it out. These things are delicious. Cheers.